Welcome back, everybody. My name is Pritesh here with Kaizen Crypto. On this channel, we talk about everything Cardano. Thank you all so much for joining me here today. I hope you all are doing well. So with the recent price action, we see crypto markets are taking a beating. I wanted to share some thoughts related to the psychology of investing in cryptocurrencies. Also, we're going to be taking a look at some tools related to staking ADA, earning passive income. I wanted to give you some resources that you can use if you're looking to gain an idea of how much you can expect to earn by delegating your ADA to a stake pool. So lots to talk about today. Let's go ahead and get right into it. All right, everybody. Thank you all so much again for joining me here today. Getting right into it, I wanted to just take a look at the overall markets. We see quite a bit of red today. The markets have definitely rebounded since their local bottoms earlier today. We saw Bitcoin break below $30,000. Currently trading at about $33,000. So we are definitely rebounded since then. Cardano ADA went down and touched $1 before bouncing all the way back up to $1.20. So the markets are really feeling the pain right now. So I wanted to share some thoughts on why this could be the case. I wanted to talk a little bit about the psychology of being invested in this market. Of course, you guys know, not financial advice here on the channel, just hoping to navigate this crazy roller coaster ride with you one step at a time. So what we're seeing as far as some of the FUD, of course, we see China news happening notoriously. It feels like every single cycle we have something coming out from China that brings some type of FUD related to crypto markets. So as far as the mining of Bitcoin in China, we're seeing now that some of these miners are being shipped across to the United States. So things like that. As far as if Bitcoin is dead because of this, absolutely not. Bitcoin is such a powerful and vast and decentralized network. I don't think that we're going to have any type of fundamental impact from this. But I feel like it's the market simply overreacting to the news. Another thing that could also be causing this is leverage trading. So a lot of these platforms that allow for 10x, 100x leverage on these cryptocurrencies, some of these positions being liquidated to cover their losses. I think that is also another reason we're seeing such drastic price movements. And if we look at the top cryptocurrencies, as far as their price actions, as far as from a fundamental standpoint, nothing has really changed. If anything, these projects are actually making more progress from a fundamental standpoint. So a lot of people are looking at this as a buying opportunity. It really depends on your perspective and how long you plan on being in the crypto markets. You guys know how I feel about Cardano, especially being a stake pool operator, being a Cardano ambassador. We are in this for the long run. So days like today are simply just a test of your judgment and whether or not you are putting the correct perspective on your investing. So just wanted to share some thoughts regarding that. We actually had a very prominent influencer. I saw a video today from Meet Kevin. So he has been talking a lot more about cryptocurrency. So it's really nice to see somebody with his size of a following giving cryptocurrency the airtime that it deserves. And the title of his video was Why I Just Bought This Crypto. In this video, he talks specifically about Cardano ADA and some of the amazing developments that we're looking forward to very soon in September with Goguen and smart contracts. So I'm not going to play this video. If you do want to check it out, definitely go ahead and give it a watch. I think it's pretty cool to hear why Kevin is invested in Cardano. And I think we're going to start to see a lot of this now. So as far as cryptocurrency markets, you guys know that we are still a relatively nascent asset class. We're only seeing institutional money coming into this market now after we see larger funds like Grayscale, Fidelity. We saw MicroStrategy coming in with a huge purchase of Bitcoin. So things like that are starting to spark this institutional interest. Now, as far as the retail investors, if we are able to look at this with the lenses that these institutional players have on, thinking that these markets are, simply in their early stages and days like today are buying opportunities, I think we're going to stand the test of time in terms of investing in these markets because these institutions aren't looking to day trade this market. They're looking to get in at a discount. We know for a fact that the Grayscales of the world are not paying full price for their Bitcoin. I don't think that we are entering into a bear market. I really do think that we are in a brief period of consolidation or a slight correction, but I think we could be experiencing something similar to the cycle back in 2013, 2014, where we had sort of a intermediate term downtrend or a consolidation before continuing higher. So I do think that's what we're experiencing right now. Nothing to worry about if you are in this for the long run and if you have the correct perspective with your investment strategy. Now, with that being said, I wanted to go ahead and talk about some of the tools and resources that we've created for the Cardano community to hopefully get you up to speed in the instance that you're looking to start staking your ADA. So on KaizenCrypto.com is our website. We've got a one-stop shop built here for anybody who is interested in staking your ADA. If you're looking for resources, how-to videos, tutorials, all of that can be found here on our Get Started page. This is essentially the culmination of years worth of work, which we have contributed to help get people up to speed and help educate individuals on staking Cardano. So you've got a lot of really cool videos here. Check it out. I will be sure to leave all the links down in the description for you as well. You've got a nice little chart here if you want to keep up with the day-to-day price action as well. But please feel free to check this out. We've also got information related to all of our stake pools. One tool that I'm looking forward to using a little bit more is going to be the dollar cost average spreadsheet that we've created. This is a very, very simple, very basic spreadsheet that you can even customize if you'd like to. This is actually on our Get Started page, so you can download this for free. It is available to anybody who would like to use it. You can modify it however you would like, whichever way suits you best. But this is something I would recommend if you are looking to develop a strategy for investing in ADA. So here we have a dollar cost average spreadsheet where it shows us the time in months. We've also got the dollar amount invested, price per ADA, and the total amount of ADA you were able to purchase. And what you can do using the spreadsheet is develop a plan to help you get to your ADA goals. So I hope that helps you as far as being able to use a tool to get to your desired goals. It is something that I'm thinking about a lot because I do see many new people entering into the space. And our goal with this channel and all the content that we create is to help get new members in the community up to speed and involved with the Cardano ecosystem. And last up, I just wanted to talk about a few different tools that are made available by members in the community, as well as the Cardano Foundation, to help get you up to speed with what you can expect to earn by staking ADA. So first, we have the official Cardano staking calculator. So this is on the Cardano.org website. How much can you earn from staking ADA? So this is a really cool calculator. I would recommend you check it out. This is something where you can simply just type in a few numbers, arbitrary numbers, or even the amount of ADA that you would like to stake, and you can actually get an idea of your rewards breakdown. So cool way to look at it. Let's say, for instance, your goal is 10,000 ADA. This is going to give you a rewards breakdown. We can see the amount of ADA in the y-axis and the amount of time on the x-axis. One epoch lasts for 5 days on the Cardano network. And what we can see here is your rewards breakdown. It's broken down in terms of epochs. And you can see as time goes on, your expected rewards are actually compounding for you automatically. So really nice. It's a simple, easy to understand breakdown of what you can expect to earn in terms of ADA rewards. Next website I wanted to show you is going to be adapools.org. Adapools.org is brought to us by the Cardanians. So really prominent community members, a big shout out to them for all of the work that they've been putting in to create tools like this for members in the community. So this tool is really cool because what it does is it shows you the status of the Cardano blockchain. We've got the current epoch, the current slot, live stake, active stake, all of this amounts is what is delegated to stake pools. So currently 70% of total circulating ADA is being delegated to stake pools. So really nice to see that. We've also got the live ADA price. So as far as how I like to use this website, it's a great way to find out the different stake pools that are available to delegate to. So to show you in this video today, if we were to type in our stake pool name, we can just type in Kaizen, K-A-I-Z-E-N, and it shows you the search results for Kaizen. So we've got our stake pools as well as our Kaizen token. So lots of cool stuff to look at here with ADA pools. Of course, you can definitely check out this website to get an idea of some of the other metrics and parameters that it contains. But if you are new to Cardano and if you're looking for a place to get started to find out some more information, definitely would recommend adapools.org. So before we wrap it up for today, I just wanted to talk a little bit about the psychology of investing in cryptocurrencies, at least some things that have helped me along my journey. Again, just sharing with you all my thoughts and opinions. Hopefully you're able to find something from this video that can help you along your journey. You do have to do what's best for you. Everybody's situation is different. So as far as how I like to look at these markets, it's going to be a matter of what is my desired goal and how long of a time frame have I set for myself to achieve this goal. So for me, one thing that I'm very excited about is being able to achieve financial independence by staking Cardano. So, of course, as far as passive income goes, I think staking Cardano is probably one of the best options out there. If we think about if you were to have your money right now stored in a bank account or a savings account, you would be lucky to get about 1% on your money. And we know that with the world today, with the amount of inflation, with negative interest rates, this is simply not a sustainable way to increase your wealth. So staking ADA, of course, you've got the underlying asset ADA, price appreciation potential is very much there. I think that Cardano has a very strong fundamental case for blockchain technology. And then we've also got the passive income aspect by staking. So as far as the thought process for me, it's how much money do I need to live off of so that I can keep my underlying ADA principle and just live off of the passive rewards. So those are going to be some things that I'm thinking about. If you were to think of a number, it has to be what amount of ADA would I need to accumulate so that I can live off the rewards. So have that in the back of your mind. If you're thinking about this on the day to day, if you're trying to trade this market, I think it's going to be a really stressful thing. And it's going to be that much more difficult to stay in the game. But if you're looking at it from a long-term perspective, and if you have it in your mind, okay, I want to earn X amount of money from passive income. I don't want to have to worry about paying my rent from my job. I would rather have to pay my bills from my passive income that I get from staking ADA. So what that would do is start a series of questions in your thought process. I guess the first question would be, well, how much ADA do I need to get to that level so that I can live off of my passive rewards, right? So having that, if you're thinking, if you're asking the right questions, if you have the correct time horizon by investing in cryptocurrency, I think that you're definitely going to make it out through the other side. I know a lot of people right now are worried about the markets. Are we in a bear market? Guys, I really don't think we're in a bear market. I think that we are in a short-term consolidation period. These markets move incredibly fast. And I think that in a month or two's time, we'll be looking back at this time period and thinking, wow, I wish I could have bought more. So those are just some things that I wanted to leave you all with, just sharing with you all some of my thoughts and opinions on how I've been able to stay sane by being in crypto, some things that I like to look at, and some questions that I like to ask myself when I'm making these decisions. So I hope that you did enjoy this video. Hopefully you did find some information valuable. If you did, please be sure to drop a like. It really does help support the channel. If you want to stay up to date with everything happening with Cardano, make sure you hit that subscribe button. All right, everyone. Thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you all in the next video. Take care.